Which country opened the first commercial cheese factory in 1815? Which country opened the first commercial cheese factory in 1815? Now I'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options that you think is the correct answer for the question, and here's the list of the option. The first option is Germany, the second option is Singapore, the third option is United States, and the last option is Switzerland. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? And now it's time for me to tell you the correct answer for the question, and the correct answer for the question is Switzerland. So that's the answer for the question, Switzerland. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friends, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.